Felix, ich bin die Tür still. Okay, probieren wir es und eben, sonst. Ah, gut, ja. Das ist auf Englisch. Okay. Okay. Nice. Okay, spielen wir es. Starten wir mal. Sagen wir, falls es zu laut wäre. Oh, ich liebe Borderlands. Bisschen leisiges Spiel. Ja, es ist nur der Start gewesen.
To hear another story of immense fortune and unthinkable peril. Well, I have some time. The borderlands of Pandora were told to contain mysterious alien treasure troves filled with advanced technology and incredible power. Vaults, the people called them. And to seek one out was to earn you the title of Vault Hunter. At least by me. You could say Handsome Jack was one such explorer, though his methods could be seen as somewhat unsporting. He ran the corporation Hyperion, and died trying to claim Pandora as his own. History's attention is fickle, my friends. It will remember those pirates like Handsome Jack, but forget the adventurers who risk it all for less, obvious rewards. Stories, legends, those are much better at getting at the real spirit of things. Stories remember both sides of the tale.
Fiona! Come on, we can work this out! Fiona? What, is there some sort of radiation leak I don't know about?
Okay, das sind wir.
What is happening right now?
I ask the questions.
Okay, then do you mind asking yourself what you're doing? Oh! Ow! What the hell?
Tell me about the Gortys project.
Is that what this is about? Look, Gortys is bad business. If you want a real hot investment, I am on the ground floor of some property on Eden. Okay.
Don't be a smartass. I'm not a patient person, so just start talking.
Just where do you start when you're getting dragged through the desert and,
From the beginning.
Right.
Andi, nein, wir schreiben nicht so. Wir schreiben alles auf Hochdeutsch. In der Schule. Oder in Briefen oder so, je nachdem.
I guess it all started with a promotion. See, I'd spent my entire career up at Hyperion, so I suppose that makes me one of the bad guys in this story. And Handsome Jack, he was the baddest guy of them all.
This long. It must feel good
I
to
wanted
finally
to be
grab it,
just
you know?
like him.
Ik zit daar zo eindelijk goed zit, hè.
Right? I mean, you always said that.
Everyone
I
did,
gotta be honest, I always thought it was sort of cheesy, but hey, here
which
we are.
resulted in a company overflowing with assholes.
Animals.
When Handsome Jack died, it somehow got even worse. It took some time to fit in,
Zo goed gemaakt.
but a few stabs and select backs, a new haircut, and the help of a couple friends, I was on my way to get the promotion that was going to change my life. Scratch that. Our lives. For the better.
Hey, John.
I was a little distracted. It was a big day for us. Luckily, Vaughn
This isn't
was
charity work. Am I right?
concentrating on the
I know,
important things.
What's the first thing you're gonna buy? I know what Henderson's making. I do his payroll. If you're getting a fraction of what he earns, you'll be rolling in it. Being an exec in Hyperion comes with expectations.
Yeah, there are a couple sweet rides I've been looking at. More fitting of the position I'm going to be in.
Where the hell would you even drive that thing? We're in space.
I wouldn't actually use it. It would be more for looks.
Oh, right. Well, then that's a great idea. We're meeting with Yvette afterward to celebrate. She booked us a table.
Yep, sounds good.
Look, we had to do a lot of awful stuff to get you to this point. Do I regret some of it? Sure I do. Every night it haunts my dreams, but that doesn't matter now. Because you made it. You deserve this, man. And don't ever think you don't. And don't ever think about the Iridium mine deal we put together. Those people have to work somewhere, right?
Hey, we made it, okay? We're in this together. If I'm moving up, we're all moving up. You can be certain of that.
I appreciate that, Reese. You know, people around here have short memories when it comes to that stuff.
You, me, Yvette, we're gonna run this place.
Dank,
Yes, we
Fabian,
are.
voor de follow. Yes, we
All right, man.
are.
Let's get that Hyperion face on.
Oh, right, yeah.
Oh shit, het gaat niet gelukt. Oh shit, dat is best
Oh, we need some condescending. It's a little too friendly right now. Okay, tell you what. Tilt your head back. Like if you ask me if there's anything up your nose.
How's that?
There you go. You don't respect me at all. Perfect.
Oh shit.
Mr. Henderson?
Have a seat, Reese. I'll just be a second. No, I wasn't talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you now.
Yeah, but I don't want it in red. I want it in black. Because black is better. Look, don't concern yourself with why, okay, Jerry? Concern yourself with how. And just send the car over when it's ready.
Company car. Didn't even have to ask. You look surprised to see me, Reese, and if I'm reading the situation right, and I usually am, you're not too happy about it either. This all came together quick. So, you might not have been in the loop, but it's for the better. At least for me.
Well, congratulations on your promotion. I love what you've done with the office. Going for the whole minimalist thing.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh
You're
shit,
going
de
to be
augen
reporting
opslaan.
to me now, Reese. And I want you to know the promotion that you worked so hard to get, that's still coming to you.
Well, that's a relief. Because
But this is about more than that, Reese. It's about your future in this company.
Look, you want to know the reason why I'm in that chair and you're not?
For the exact same reason why North is North. Why the handsome guy always gets the girl. And why every spaceship in the universe is shaped like a cock. It's destiny, Reese. And men, real men like me, make their own.
And you could hold a grudge if you like. No harm, no foul. Your thoughts are your own.
But bad things can happen when you swim against fate. Sometimes men find themselves standing in the way of other men's destiny. You don't want to be that man.
What
Wow.
the fuck?
I could not have timed that better. That really helps dramatically make my point. Which is this. This promotion is going to take you out of the way of other people's destiny and put you on your own path. And that, my friend, is why I am promoting you to... Jerry, why isn't my new car Digistructing in my office yet?
Vasquez, it's August.
Oh, August. Cool, listen. I actually have somebody here with me, so...
Are you buying this vault key, or what? Because
How did this happen so quick? I thought I'd have more time. Of course I'm still interested. Yes, I'm near a computer. 10 million, yeah. It's just that's a lot of money to get together on short notice. I mean, I'm not trying to be obstinate, but I need time.
That should be me. Only
Yeah,
less
no, but...
Vasquez-y.
Das finde ich auch
Do you
so.
want the money or
3
not?
years sucking up to the guy. Out the window.
It's not. No, it won't be a big deal for me to get...
Ugh. Why do the biggest scumbags always have the best view?
Okay, ich kann nicht mehr.
Yeah,
Dann
that's
mal
what we
etwas
had
drehen.
before. It's a working day, August, and I just got this promotion. No, nope. Yeah, look, are you going... Why are you turning this into a whole thing
Okay,
like
ich kann alles genauer anschauen. Pandora.
Not yet. Look, I'll have to call you back.
Say this not well. Ja, easy.
What a waste. Such a nice suit.
Wow, nur wegen dem Anzug.
Yeah.
Also
no,
schauen wir mal. Computer more expensive.
Do you want the money or not? Because
Okay.
it's not. No,
Yeah,
it
no.
won't be a big deal for me to get... Why are you trying to screw me on this? Oh, fine. Just wait there, okay? I can only be down at... If it's gonna be $10 million, I'm gonna need another hour or two. Okay. Yeah, I'll be there in a bit. Well, then just stay there. It's a tourist shop, right? Buy a mug or something. Sure. Okay, say hi to your mom. Damn it!
Oh man.
Right. What were we talking about? Before we were so rudely interrupted.
I think it was something about buying a vault key, right?
Oh, just like that. Buying a vault key, right? You're like a kid sounding out the words.
Ey, die
right.
Gesichtsausdrücke sind so gut.
Promotion.
Henderson was a fool.
He didn't know his place. He needed lesson number 1. Humility.
But you, I respect you, Reese. That's why I'm gonna make you assistant vice janitor.
What? No, you can't.
I'm the boss now, Reese. I do whatever I want. Report to Sewage Scout 23. Effective immediately.
You better get an eye installed in the back of your head. Because you never know when I could be creeping up behind you.
Oh shit, ich bin so schlecht.
I'm your boss, Reese. Get used to that. This is what I'm talking about when I say humility.
Ich hasse ihn.
That was lesson number 2. Don't make lesson number 3 about a number 2.
What?
Don't make me crap on the floor and make you clean it up!
You're dismissed, Reese.
Ein cooler
I'll let you know
Roboter.
when I need my trash can emptied.
What the hell was that? He can't do this to us!
He just did.
No. No, this can't be happening.
I'm finished, Vaughn. I'm finished. You know how this place is.
There's blood in the water, and everyone can smell it! No, they can't. Not yet, unless you don't quiet down. We just gotta keep it on the down low until we figure something out. It's not...
Senior
Super
Vice Janitor Reese to Sector D451 for trash cleanup, because that is your job now, to clean up trash with your bare hands.
Sorry, you were saying something? I interrupted you.
Reese, why are you cleaning up trash? I thought you were getting a promotion. Trash duty seems like the opposite of a promotion.
Henderson's dead.
What? Are you sure?
Yeah. I mean, you can ask him yourself. He's floating outside in space!
It's that prick Vasquez. He threw Henderson out of an airlock and demoted Reese to trash man.
Holy crap. So, does that mean you're not buying? Well, just try and lighten the mood. And I didn't bring my wallet, so if someone pays for me...
I'll tell you who's gonna pay. Vasquez.
I don't know if he's the type
We
to...
can't let that prick get away with this. We need to do something.
He just killed a guy. Maybe it's better we lay low for a bit.
What? No way. We hit back.
We're gonna ruin his career.
How do you plan on doing that?
Yeah. Vasquez set up a deal on Pandora for a vault key.
Whoa. A vault key?
Uh-huh. And I'm sure he promised it to Hyperion.
That must be why he got the promotion. The only thing Hyperion cares about more than money is vault keys. It's perfect! I mean, not only do we screw over Vasquez, we have a friggin' vault key! I mean, what are they worth? Like $1 billion?
More.
Yeah, but we need $10 million right now to make the deal.
Hold, please. Done.
I'm not gonna lie. That was impressive.
I'm in accounting. I mean, it's what I do. $10 million is chump change around here. By the time anyone notices, we'll have a vault key.
Cool. Well, looks like you boys got it all figured out. I'm gonna go eat. Alone? Call me if you don't get killed,
Whoa,
alright?
hey, we need your help. We need clearance, transportation. You're a requisitions master. We need that stuff.
Yeah, maybe a loader bot or two. You know, things get dicey.
Look, it's one thing stealing from a bunch of poor suckers on Pandora. You're talking about stealing from Hyperion.
But we're friends. Friends help each other steal stuff. I mean, that's how it works.
Richter used to steal candy bars. His family still doesn't know where the body is.
Richter was an asshole, and his family are assholes.
Come on, I'll buy you the lunch I owe you when we get back.
Fine. But you're buying me lunch now, and when you get back.
Done. We only got a couple hours.
Nice.
Go withdraw the cash. I'll get you guys clearance to Pandora, get you geared up, and issue you a standard Hyperion town car.
What? Standard? Really? You can't spring for premium? Seat warmers, maybe a convertible or something?
Sure, yeah, a convertible. So, just so I got this straight, you want me to get you a car to drive around Pandora that leaves you less protected, right?
Look, if you're gonna steal something, I figure...
No. No, don't worry. I've got a car in mind.
Oh yeah. Hey, Mann.
Holy freaking crap! What was that? What do we even?
Oh,
what do we even
why?
hit?
Why?
Oh, I hope that wasn't like a really ugly person.
What'd you cross right there?
Oh, crap. I think we killed it. Are we murderers now? We're murderers. We're murderers. Great, we murder. You know, I thought it would take longer than 20 seconds before that happened.
Relax, Vaughn. It's a skag. They breed like hostile rabbits down here.
Still, it's kind of sad.
Yeah. Kind of.
So, what do we say if someone asks where we got the money?
What do you mean?
Well, I mean, what do we tell people? We should have a story. I mean, I would prefer not to tell them that we stole it from Hyperion. That would not go over well. I just think we need a plan of some sort.
Let's just say Vasquez gave it to us to make the deal. It's easier that way.
Yeah. I guess I wanted a cooler plan, but I suppose that'll work.
Ja, ich finde den auch gut.
So, this looks not good.
We got ourselves a deal here! What are you looking at?
It's Pandora. What did you expect?
Yeah, no, I know. I guess I'm just now more acutely aware that I have $10 million chained to me is all. In a neighborhood, I might add, of backplanet nut jobs. I'm just getting a vibe, you know?
Just keep your eyes open for the place, okay? I don't want to be here any longer than we have to.
Yeah.
And, watch the money.
Oh, really?
Listen, one tap on the arm, and Yvette can send down a loader bot if things get too entertaining.
That's true.
And she gave me this. It is a stun baton. I do not know how it works, but it's definitely neat.
Yeah, stick.
Sie hat doch keine Ahnung von gar nichts.
God, I can't wait to be
shit.
in that chair. You and me, Yvette. I mean, we bring this key back, and they're gonna make us the once and future kings of that place for sure. They'll send in a crew to use the key, and then that's it. Then it's kick back on the moon beach time.
Yeah, we'll pop champagne and everything after we get back with the key.
Ah, come on, it's in the bag.
It's in the bag.
The tracker's beeping, but I don't see the place.
It's the world of curiosities, right?
Yeah, do you see it?
No.
Could ask one of them. They seem normal-ish. Normal-ish enough. Anyway.
Or you could ask one of them.
You're the closer, right? So close. Get us some direction.
Oh, ich kann wieder rumschauen. Okay. Also ich kann ihn anschauen oder reden.
I have a feeling he's somewhat inebriated.
Slag off!
Oké. Ga nog maar laufen. Geil. Wat dan? Ik zie niet meer. Ah, toch? Ik zie nog mee.
Hi, sir. Yes, do you think I'm gonna just skip this guy?
Oké.
Hey, do you know where the World of Curiosities is? Okay.
Wat een komische. Oké. Ja, dan moet je erin vragen.
Oof, not a very handsome fellow, is he?
We don't have all day here, Reese.
Ja, rit hem maar.
Hi. Excuse me, sir, do you know where the World of Curiosities is?
It should be around here.
You lost? What are you here for?
Why do you even care?
Because you're driving your ass wagon all through my town, kicking up earth, stirring up spider ants. And when the spider ants come, people get killed.
Sorry, we didn't...
You're Hyperion. You egg-suckers ruined this town, you know that? Atlas were bastards, but at least they had the good sense to fail. When Jack came in, he turned everything to smoke. And it's you and assholes like you that made it happen.
Look, man, we really don't know anything about that.
Hey, little man. What's in the case? Hey, kitty cat. Show us what's in the case.
Okay, now, look. Before we get all bent... oh.
Is there like a convention or something?
Oh. Bandits.
You know what we got here?
Reese, do the...
We got a couple Hyperion warmongers, gentlemen.
The bot! Yvette, prime it!
Already? Really?
Just... give me the menu.
Okay, but don't go bananas. These things ain't cheap.
And do you know what we do with warmongers? Do you know what we do? Should we tell them what we do with Hyperion workers?
Who is that?
Reese, come on, just get it.
Motorbot deployed.
Time to clock in.
Yeehaw!
Listen, boys. You're gonna hand over that case, or you're handing over your heads. Your choice.
Look, guys, let's talk about this.
Nice.
Got quiet all of a sudden.
Hi.
Why isn't it doing anything?
Angry eyes detected. Awaiting instruction.
It only does what I tell it to. Well, tell it to do something already.
Please stop shooting me. Engaging target.
See? Piece of cake.
Okay, ich muss ein bisschen steuern. Nice. Noch herziger. Okay, er geht wieder zurück. Ah nein, er geht wieder zurück. Oh, er nimmt sein Schild. Oh no.
Not good.
Ja, ich kann nicht einfach... Perfekt. So schön. Oh man. Oh shit. Ciao. Okay, ich kann es nicht machen. Ich bin stumpf. Oh fuck.
You sure you want to stick with that story?
Scheiße.
Okay, maybe I didn't, technically die, but I could have.
Ich hätte es überdrücken. Okay, machen wir nochmal.
They must really have to go. That is not good. Come on!
Also, schießen wir dich. Und schießen wir nochmal drin. Jetzt müssen wir über ausweichen. Ich hoffe, es funktioniert.
Rocket! I know!
Oh, gut.
I see you, son! Shoot 'em all!
Genau, das habe ich gehofft.
Well, now I know why these cost so much.
Thank you kindly.
Wait!
Oh shit.
Loaderbot! Go get the car!
Stop! Thieves!
What a long song. Clean Bandit, danke vielmals für den Host. Messi. Shit, ich habe genau nicht nachher angeschaut.
Well, now I know why these cost so much.
Thank
Okay,
you
Red
kindly.
Nickel. Let's concentrate.
Loaderbot! Go get the car!
Stop! Thieves!
Okay, das kommt raus. Jam. Jetzt schießt er irgendwo an. Gut. Ja, ist Telltale Game.
I'm gonna cook you!
Oh, ich habe falsch. Ich habe falsch gedrückt. Oh shit. Aktivieren. Bam.
Interesting.
Oh, der Typ kommt so auf die Welt. Oh, Gott.
All right.
Okay. Okay, scheiße. Ja. Nein. Was ist denn auch noch? Puh.
Easy, buddy.
Bam. Okay, langsam geht's mit der Steuerung.
Vaughn, where are you?
Rühr's, Karali. Kill him and
What
gorilla.
did you do with Vaughn? How the hell should I know? Your freaking bot tossed us both out. Now kindly stand still and die.
Schlecht. Zieh vor ihm.
That's all I wanted to know. We could have avoided all of this.
Ow!
Get your ass gone! Okay. Loaderbot, put the car down.
Sure thing. Bandits imminent.
Please do something!
Weapons subsystem requires your attention.
All right, we'll have to improvise.
Time to get funky.
Okay, jetzt haben wir einen Granatenwerfer oder was?
Circumstances analyzed. Enhancing weaponry.
Oh, excellent.
Hello, I am Comcast, destroyer of bandits.
Oh shit, ik ben het zout gelukt. Hey Swiss.
Fatality.
Shove this up your ass! How are we gonna get inside? Well, we could.
De roboter is vol geil.
Thanks, Loaderbot.
Wait, what? This is totally uncool. Why must the universe punish the good? Help, please. The metal is willing, but the spirit is weak.
Come on, Reese, just tell it to run.
Self-destruct option
Ow.
available.
Let me go. Good night, sweet princess of...
Oh nein, wird sich
I
daran
will
erinnern.
name my firstborn Loaderbot.
Oh shit.
You know, probably not. But
I can't believe we're alive. I mean, I never want to see somebody's brains come out of their nose. Not ever again. That was the single scariest experience of my entire life. Which should probably be over by now. But it's not. For some reason. But for those guys, a lot of those guys,
oh, come on. It was a little fun, right? You cannot honestly stand there and tell me that it didn't feel kind of great to kick all those guys' asses.
okay, yeah, it was a little awesome. But I'm sure it was as traumatic as it was fun. We're probably gonna need some therapy in the future, you know that, right?
We'll be able to afford it. All right, let's just find this guy, August. Buy the key.
Oh.
And get the hell out of here.
Schöne Trophäe. Ich kann die alle anschauen. Speichert es mir das? Echt? Die Monster aus nicht endlich, wo der Typ nicht gewusst hat, wie
Does
benennen.
every animal on this planet have to look like a giant monster?
Also in Borderlands 2 war es so. Ich die nicht auftun? Nein. Was soll ich da machen? Okay.
Alright, you know, the stuffed animals was one thing, But this is taking a turn I really don't want it to.
Right this way to the world-famous Hall of Pandoran Luminaries. Come face to face with icons of the planet's turbulent history and hear how each met their grisly fate. Please watch your step and marvel at some of the unexpected ends of life's grand design.
Hey, honeybee. Wie geht's?
There's nowhere else to go. Come on, let's just get through it.
Okay, gehen wir.
Boom, not to be confused with his brother Boom, was the first mate of Captain Flint. As his name subtly implies, Boom enjoyed hurling caustic explosives and making things blow up by any means necessary.
Who around here doesn't?
Pandoran resident and fine dining connoisseur, Shade, was held in high esteem by his fellow neighbors in Oasis. Not in the least bit insane, he will be missed.
I am really not into this at all.
Skal man logge med noe sånt?
Anything yet?
No. What about you, huh? Are you even looking?
Of course I'm looking.
Formerly a scientific researcher who worked for Hyperion, Professor Nakayama was obsessed with cloning Handsome Jack, who he carried a certain fondness for.
Oh, I remember this guy. He was an asshole.
Killed by stairs!
Oh, Nakayama still had his Hyperion ID drive with him, though. Hyperion pays out a nice bonus for recovering those things.
Nice.
The once ruthless leader of the Crimson Lance, Commandant Steele. Her leaderness came to an end when she was skewered by a monstrous tentacle. She later died a second time after having been resurrected as some kind of cyborg zombie thing.
Can we just get on with this?
Sieht sehr cool aus. Okay, gehen wir. Klopfen. Auftun.
Oh. It's locked.
Oh, come on, are you serious?
Well, this feels like we came in the back, so maybe there's a front door somewhere?
Yeah, I don't know if we can get out there with the murderers all over the place.
Maybe one of those bodies has a key or something and we just missed it.
Wow, I mean, if we just randomly found the key, I mean, that would be amazing.
Okay, was eigentlich in diese... Ground for the key. Ja, ich hab grad gedacht, der ist nicht mehr.
How are you?
Not great!
Are you two not just the handsomest devils I've seen in ages?
Why are you pretending to be dead?
Dead? No. Asleep, maybe. Dead. That's you're getting ahead of yourself.
What?
Oh shit.
What is this? Is this part of the, like, some kind of ride or something? Since the moment we walked in, it's just been one big freaky puppet show, so
Thanks. I'm Shade, and this is my world of curiosities. Let me tell you right off the very bat, I am deeply sorry that you strapping young threshers of gentlemen here have to witness it in such sad disrepair. Time can take a toll, you know, and on more things than one. But unfortunately, we are closed for renovations. But that doesn't mean you have to leave, of course. No. I mean, we can do other things.
Listen, we're to make a deal, all right? We're buying a thing. Something valuable? You know anything about that?
I know a lot of things about a lot of things, and this thing in particular. You're Hyperion, right? Here for August.
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to buy something strange and illegal, this is certainly the place to do it.
Ehrlich gesagt, ruf du.
My grandpappy, he's the one who came up with this place. He was a real thinker, you know, a real lover of animals. Still is, actually, because he's definitely not dead. But the place itself...
What happened? You get stuck in traffic?
You Hyperion guys, you're usually so punctual. Getting 10 million together can't be too much trouble for you guys. I assume you'd have that kind of scratches walk-around money.
Yeah, well, sorry we're late. Getting here was a little more complicated than we thought it'd be.
Yeah, well, that's Pandora for you. If it ain't a friggin' bug stampede, some jerk-off is using you for rocket practice.
All right, well, I'll just leave you to your business things then.
I'm August, but I figure you know that already.
The guy with the key. Easy.
Is Vasquez coming?
Vasquez? He was just the go-between, the middleman.
The puppet, the pigeon.
Stop. I'm the one who's buying the key.
Yeah? Well, I guess as long as you got the money, one Hyperion bootlicker's as good as another. So, what's your name? Just so we're on, equal footing.
You want my name? My name's $10 million for all you should care. You're a vault key to me, okay? That's it.
Okay, look, I don't know what the hell you think you're doing, but this is not how I operate, all right? I expected Vasquez. I got you.
Yeah!
So let's all get friendly real fast. I mean, I'm trying. Aren't I trying? Huh? Aren't I trying?
You're trying.
So, let's try again. My name's August. What's yours?
Kann ich meine verraten?
Do you want me to guess?
This is a business transaction, okay? We don't have to be buddies.
No, we don't have to be buddies, dickhead. But it'd just make me a heck of a lot more comfortable to know just who I'm gifting this vault key to. Just sit down and let's do this so we can move on with our
Mir ist es
lives.
gerade verdammt lang.
Okay, so, let's see the money. Cash only for this deal. And I hope you brought big bills. The kind that are hard to break.
No. I know how this works. We see the merchandise first, then you see the money.
Yeah.
All right. The baby wants its bottle. Fine.
Yes, okay. Ich habe schon gedacht, der ist irgendwas komisch.
You ever see anything so pretty in your miserable lives? This thing'll practically dance at your wedding. It's state-of-the-art alien crap. I'd use it myself, but, you know, the monsters and all.
It's goddamn gorgeous.
Friggin' A right it is. Okay, so, the way I usually do these things is...
Wait!
What?
I just don't like it. I got a feeling.
What feeling?
Look! You said when I started to get a feeling about something that I should tell you and that we should walk away, right?
What are you possibly feeling right now? We're almost done.
I get intuitions about this stuff.
Intuitions? What are you, a goddamn fortune teller?
Can we just take the key and you take our money?
Nein, jetzt fängt er an reden.
Sasha, what the hell are you...
I just don't like it. They've had this dumb attitude on their dumb faces since the moment they walked in.
What are you talking about?
He's been a giant dick this entire time. And why wouldn't they show you the money, huh? What's up with that?
Sasha?
I mean, look at that guy. Look at his face.
What's wrong with his face?
You can't trust a face like that. He's hiding something, August.
Hey, Sasha? Sasha, listen to me. I know you don't trust Hyperion.
Yeah, you think?
And I know you have zero reason to trust us, but I'm telling you, we're not like those assholes. In fact, we're trying to get back at one of the worst assholes up there, and we need that key to do it. So please, take the money, and let us screw over one of the biggest jerks on Hyperion. Please.
So you're saying this key will get used to screw over some wretched Hyperion stooge?
That's exactly what we're saying.
For sure.
All right, I'm sold.
Awesome. Let's do this.
Nice.
Well, just
nice,
wait.
nice,
Just wait.
nice.
August, everything's fine now.
I mean, I don't know.
Dann lässt du eigentlich so etwas nein.
No, it's okay. The feeling's gone, August. Let's do the deal.
Wenn ich die
I don't know.
Kettmaschine habe.
Maybe today's not right for this. If things are weird, if you have a feeling about things.
No, I was wrong. We should definitely do it.
August, come on, I need that key. Promises were made, and my bosses are expecting...
No, I'm sorry, guys. I thought I was gonna deal with Vasquez, and now this, I just think we should call it off until I think things are square. Maybe another time, fellas.
Hun, we're here. We should just do this. Really?
No, I made up my mind.
August, wait! Reese, this is your department. Do something.
Ett smiley av sin rose. What the fuck?
August. Can't let you leave with that, pal.
Oh, no? And what are you gonna do about it? Yeah, that's what I thought.
Holy
Looks
shit.
like he had a change of heart.
Steaming lotus gag crap.
So geil.
Well, look who decided to show her face. I was just about to get to my favorite part. You know, where you come in and you ruin my life, you no-class scheming Pandoran scum!
Oh, nice haircut, you lying Hyperion jackass.
It is a nice haircut!
Oh, shut up!
Stop it, stop it!
Wieso habt
Getting
ihr,
dirt
habt
in
ihr
my
etwa noch
eye!
einen Verkehr geschickt?
It sucks, because
Godzilla,
I'm trying to
danke
get it in
für-
your
für
lying
Host.
mouth.
Oh, all right. Mission accomplished.
And I'm not lying, okay? I'm embellishing. And how the hell would you know anyway? You weren't at the deal.
Of course I was, you dope. I can't believe you still haven't figured that out. I knew you were dense the moment I...
Your turn, Fiona.
My turn for what?
Tell me your side of the deal.
You couldn't have asked me first. You kidnapped me hours ago.
I guess I could have.
You guess? I've been baking in the sun with Rax dive-bombing me for the last... Okay, I get it. This fraud conveniently left out the most important part of this whole thing.
Which is... Oh, this ought to be good. Yeah, go on. I can't wait.
The vault key shattered.
It's mine! Give it! Stop! What's your frickin' problem, man?
Okay, so ist Stempel richtig passiert. Oh shit.
Wait. How is that the most important thing? Did you forget the part about it all being your fault?
Come on, that was not my fault. Not all of it. Are you making a face under there? I can't tell what you're thinking if... Okay, fine. But let me start at the beginning.
Stell dich morgen ein.
I was born here, on Pandora, in a city cast in shadow known as Hollow Point. It's in a cave. Anyway, for a long time it was just me and my sister. Just a couple of kids stealing what we could to survive. Until we met Felix. We tried to nab his wallet. Not only did he stop us, he showed us how to do it better. We've been working together ever since. This is taking too long. She's waiting. This latest scam was our biggest yet. The one that would set us up for life.
That sounds familiar.
What can I say? A lot of these stories start out the same way.
Fiona, relax. There's nothing to be nervous about.
Felix.
There.
It looks good.
If August is a fence worth his cut, he'll be selling it to some Hyperion stooge. It should be good enough to fool one of them. Not too many people have seen a vault key. real or otherwise. The paint may still be wet. Be sure not to let anyone touch it. There are only a couple spots to worry about, but it's best not to risk it. So have them keep their hands to themselves.
Looks great, Felix.
It's the best I can do in the time given. Hey, you're
Easy.
a pro.
Dank
This is
vielmals.
what you do. Your sister may have brought in the mark, but you're the one that'll close the deal by playing whatever role you need to get the job done. If she introduces you as a tiny psycho, you'll squat down and scream about poop trains. Okay? That first introduction is who you are. You two have to work together. I'll back you up if needed.
I have the shiniest meat bicycle.
Exactly.
Oh shit. Das ist nur so ein Trailer.
Showtime.
Fiona, when she gives you your role, you play it as best you can. The deal came together much faster than I'm comfortable with, but it's worth the risk. So it's best to take precautions against the unforeseen. The Purple Skag is not the type of place you walk into without a backup plan.
So you want me to shoot my way out? Might need a bigger gun.
It's only for emergencies.
One bullet.
That's right. You'll always be able to talk your way out of more situations than you can shoot your way out of. Wet paint.
No touch.
Emergency only.
Got it.
Jetzt hast du's. Okay, ich muss glaub da durchgehen.
Yeah, you get it all out. I guess.
Okay, also ich bin nicht gerade sehr beliebt. He?
A hollow point, where art and culture flourish. Alright, enough with this stabbing. Piss off.
Money! Schon gut. Ja, also wir nehmen es jetzt mal.
Sorry, girls gotta eat.
Ja, ja. Wow, gerade wurde viel Geld bekommen. Doe ik die eigenlijk niet lukken?
Sorry, no one's getting in here today, pretty lady. VIP's only. Private function. There's the Firestone Tavern down the road. If you really need a drink, they'll take care of you.
Does $100 mean we can skip all this?
Well, sure, that works.
Ha! Geil. Toll ist so, danke
Out
fürs Tolle.
of the way, Texer. She's the VIP we've been waiting for.
Shit, so oder so hätte ich ihn können.
Dang, Sasha, why didn't you tell me she was with you? So sorry, ma'am.
Can't believe that worked.
I can't either.
Ist voll unscharf.
August is with someone else, so we got a second. He has some trust issues. He keeps asking about you, so I'm just gonna tell you everything I told him. It's a lot.
Great.
So, here's the setup. You're Lydia Strauss. We're old friends. You're an archaeologist that stole the vault key from a dig site on Eden 6. But you're originally from Eden 5. You contacted me, and we met at Pyro Pete's just after Mercenaries Day to talk about the deal. Then I set you up with August. You provide the key. August and I go make the deal. Then we split the money 3 ways. The rest of it, you're just gonna have to improvise. Did you get all that? I told you. It's a lot, I know.
No. You need to slow down, Sasha. You're talking a mile a minute.
Ugh, you're killing me, Fiona. Okay, you are...
Tommy, come on. How far do we go back?
I've known your family a real long time, August.
That's right. Which is why this is all gonna work out. Now you say hi to the missus for me, okay?
Will do, August. Buddy.
Doctor!
Yeah, boss?
Make sure Tommy gets home all right.
Thanks again.
Das Grinsen im Gesicht. Bis dann, Skitter.
August?
Hey, August, this is...
Oh, hey. Sasha tells me you've got something really cool to show me. It's Lydia, right? Strauss? Sasha's told me a lot about you. She assures me you can be trusted.
That's me, Lydia Strauss.
Sorry about the delay. I hope I didn't keep you waiting.
No, please!
Please, please, August. Please, I'll pay. I'll pay. I'll pay. I'll pay.
You are.
The little bastard had a Molly 1 shield on. Shocked me real good. Sorry about the mess, boss. Won't happen again.
Well, that was exciting. Bring us over a couple drinks, then start mopping up that blood. I don't want to have to get the floors redone.
Sure thing, babe.
Let's get to business.
Skip out on his tab?
Yeah, something like that.
Your business deals always go like that?
He said he'd do something, then he didn't. I don't abide dishonest people.
You should remember that. Oh, shit.
Have a seat.
Oh shit, dann es geht ja schief.
So, how long have you been an archaeologist? Fascinating work. Getting out there in the dirt, uncovering priceless artifacts.
Long enough to find a vault key.
Well, that seems like the perfect amount of time. That's interesting. Where'd you say you found this again? Refresh my memory. Sasha mentioned it was one of the Edens. Which one was it exactly?
I found it on Eden 6, at a dig site there.
Right, Eden 6. Marcus is always talking about it. He says it's really nice.
It's nice when you find a vault key there.
It most certainly is. Thanks, hon. All right. Let's have a look.
Of course.
Whoa. It's pretty. You're grabbing my hand. Why are you doing that?
It's not yours yet, August.
Your friend here is making me nervous.
She's helping you out, August.
How do you figure?
You never heard of iridium poisoning?
Can't say I have.
Well, she's saving you from a couple of hours of puking your guts out.
Ah. Well, then, thanks for that. But just say something sooner next time.
Sure.
I'll call up
Okay.
Vasquez. He's been chomping at the bit for this thing. Vasquez, it's August. Are you buying this vault key or what? Hey, wait, do you have me on speaker? Seriously? No, look, I don't even know what obstinate means, man. What I know is I gotta move this thing right now. I know what obstinate means. These Hyperion guys get uncomfortable around people that sound too competent. Expect a nervous, small-time Pandoran thug. So I give them what they want. No, man, this thing is hot. I got offers, so if you want it, you gotta get down here. No, we'll be there soon. That ain't good enough, buddy boy. I ain't that guy. I'm trying to do you a solid here.
How well do you know this Vasquez guy?
We've met a few times. He's a bit of a prick, but most Hyperion guys are.
I've noticed that.
Look, let me make it crystal clear. I want $10 million.
Gut, haben wir vorhin nicht genommen. Ich bin
in... waiting for you. Yeah? You say hi to your... He hung up.
Say hi to your mom.
All right. Sasha will hold the key, since it's clear you don't trust me alone with it. And seeing as I just had a guy killed in front of you, I'm not even offended. Bring your gun, babe.
Got it.
So that's it?
She'll let you know when it's done, where to get your money. Let's go.
We'll follow in the caravan.
Okay.
We're in position.
Let us know when they arrive.
I have to say, I was surprised when your friend grabbed my hand like that.
Oh, yeah, sorry. She's a little possessive.
That's funny, considering she stole it in the first place.
Yeah, I blew it. I don't know what I was thinking.
It's fine. At least you kept him from touching it. Though I'd try and avoid grabbing the hand of a murderous psychopath next time.
Still is, actually, because he's definitely not dead.
All right,
the place itself.
we're on.
What happened? You get stuck in traffic?
Yeah, well, sorry we're late. Getting here was a little more complicated than we thought it'd be. Yeah, well, that's Pandora for you. If it ain't a friggin' bug stampede, some jerk-off is using you for rocket practice.
All right, well, I'll just leave you to your business things then.
I'm August. But I figure you know that already. Is Vasquez coming?
There are two guys here, but neither of them are Vasquez.
He may have sent some lackeys. Didn't want to get his hands dirty.
Oh, damn it. One of them has an Echo Eye implant. If he scans the key, he'll know it's a fake.
Oh, shit.
They're still talking, but there's no way they're not gonna scan it. Unless they're complete morons.
Felix, what do we do?
Hold on a sec. There's a small EMP device in the chest over there. Grab it for me while I assemble a detonator.
What?
What was it?
Oh, come on. How do you find anything in here?
It's about palm-sized and has a small circuit board sticking out of it.
Okay.
Is this it?
Yes, that's the one. Here. This will generate a low-level electromagnetic pulse. That should be enough to scramble his system. But you need it close to the key. Sasha, on my signal, you need to get the case over to the vent behind you.
How the hell do I do that?
I don't know. Figure it out. There's a ventilation shaft in the back that'll give you access. Once you're in, I'll talk you through. Stay in the shadows. The walls are paper thin. Don't be seen. Don't be heard. Go! Hurry!
Das Buch wieder eine Box ja schon. Ich dachte, ich muss alles durchsuchen. Go.
I can see him. We don't have long. How do I get inside?
There should be an air duct that leads to the room they're in. Find it.
That's where you'll take your position.
Right. On it.
Können wir da etwas?
Sturdy enough.
Was ist das? Geld! Geld. Nice! Immer wieder schön. Wollen wir das auch noch ein bisschen verschieben? Okay, das ist hinter. Okay, das sieht gut sein so. Ah, nein, noch ein bisschen.
Are you in position?
I'm almost in the vent.
Good. When you get to the end of the air duct, let me know. The EMP range is weak, so you and Sasha will have to work together to pull this off.
Got it.
So easy, bekomme ich das weg. Whoa.
My deepest apologies, but we're actually closed. Also, this really isn't a door, but...
You scared the crap out of me.
What? Where are my manners? Come in, come in. There's plenty of room. I'm Shade. Pleasure to meet you. I know it's hard to trust, but I'm a people person.
Listen, my sister's in trouble. Let me through.
Well, there's nothing thicker than blood, especially when it dries and you're scraping it off the wall. Oh.
Just get out of there. I need to get through. I gotta go.
We were having such a nice chat.
You ever see anything so pretty in your miserable lives?
Fiona, are you in place yet?
Almost there.
So where are we going?
Shh. Go away.
You're looking for that girl, right? With the hair? I know the best spot to peek without getting caught. Let me come with you. It's been a long time since I had any friends. Back in Oasis, I had a lot of friends.
Fine. Just stay quiet and make yourself useful.
You won't regret this.
Ich hab new friend. Oh shit. Geiler Typ.
I just don't like it. They've had this dumb attitude on their dumb faces since the moment they walked in.
What are you talking about?
He's been a giant... I mean, look at that guy. Look at his face.
Okay, I'm here.
What's wrong with his face?
Sasha is waiting near the end of the vent. Get the EMP onto the case.
He's hiding something, August.
Listen, whatever you think
Fiona,
about my face is
now.
Yeah.
All right, it's ready.
So you're saying this key will get used to screw over some wretched Hyperion stooge?
That's exactly what we're saying.
All right, I'm sold.
Good work, Fiona.
Aren't we gonna join your friends?
No, we're gonna sit here and play the quiet game.
Sasha, if you see him trying to scan the key, give us a signal. Fiona, when you hear the signal, activate the EMP.
Got it.
No, I made up my mind.
August, wait! Reese, this is your department. Do something.
August.
What?
Come on, man. Please.
Oh shit, das ist passiert.
Dude, $10 million.
You make a good point.
Okay, Fiona, he's about to scan it. Fiona, he's about to scan it.
What's happening?
He dropped the key.
He dropped it? What do you mean he dropped it?
What the hell? It's fake? What's that sound?
Oh shit. Zero. Oh, the zero. I'd hit this. Easy.
Now, Bossa Nova, you know what I'm searching for. Tell me where it is.
I got no idea what you're talking about, Vault Hunter!
Race, the money! Get the money!
Ooh, looks like our lucky day, boys!
Oh man.
Did these fellas come with you?
No, they were definitely not invited.
What the hell is going on?
The key's shattered. They know it's a fake.
On my way.
Sorry.
Who?
Sasha! Help me push this thing down!
You planned this whole thing! That's honestly real.
Bam! No.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Let's just go.
Ein Schuss. Ja. Save the bullet. Meine, töten könnte man wahrscheinlich eh nicht. Dann wäre es eine Verschwendung.
Okay, now, easy. Easy!
Sasha, I'm fine. Thanks, but I'm fine. Let's just not have any more surprises today. Oh, come on! Are you really trying to steal our caravan?
Now, hold on. It's not what it looks. Okay, it is, but I am really sorry, okay?
Oh, give us one good reason we shouldn't shoot you and drag your bodies out that...
There's one reason.
Hey! We're not done here!
Fiona, the door! Out of my way!
I don't like it when people lie to me, Sasha! You should never, ever lie to me, Sasha!
Just drive!
Where?
Away from here!
I think we lost them.
So, what do we do with them?
Keine Ahnung, was mit dem Boot los ist.
Yeah, Fiona.
Wer immer das
What
Info
did you do with them, huh? I mean, other than try to con us out of our money.
You weren't even supposed to be there.
Well, that didn't stop you, did it? At least the money was real.
All right, I get it. You didn't trust each other.
As it turned out, we had good reason not to. I'll give Sasha this much. From the start, she knew not to trust them. Well, I just thought she was being paranoid.
Enough. What happened next?
Yeah. Tell the nice man what you did to us next. You know, in our time of need. Tell him what you did then.
We tried to throw him out.
We should just shoot them first!
Save the bullet. The fall will definitely kill them.
Stop it with the embellishments. What really happened?
No, actually, that's exactly how it went down.
Yeah, I was trying to kill him.
Oh. Okay. Continue.
Wait! You don't want to do this!
He's just stalling. This is a waste of time.
We can find the money!
What?
The case has a tracker. I can follow it.
Let him back in, Sasha.
Who?
Even if you get that case of money back, you won't be able to open it.
It has a top-of-the-line biometric lock. It's impossible to open without me and my passcodes.
Get the case into my hands and I can open it.
Hey, you say so. But getting the case is the hard part.
All right, Hyperion. Prove it. Find the money.
Yeah, no problem. Oh, call the vet.
Yeah, Vaughn. I know.
You want to call more Hyperion after us?
Calm down, Sasha. Let's see what they can do.
Thank you.
And then kill them if they betray us.
Reese, what the hell is going on down there? You were supposed to do the deal, then come right back. People are looking for you now.
Don't say hi. The deal fell apart, and we really need your help, Yvette.
I'll do what I can. But it's not gonna be easy. Vasquez was already pissed enough about the car. That was before he got the call from this August guy. You two have been blacklisted up here, and it's only gonna get worse the more Vasquez keeps yelling.
Unbelievable. Can't you do anything?
Not without implicating all three of us. I already had security asking me everything I know. You two are gonna need me to get back to Helios once you clean up this mess. You do know how to clean up this mess, right?
Can't you just get on the network and track the money?
You lost the money, too? It's like I said, Reese. My login ID is being monitored up here. Look, I'm doing my best up here to keep any extra heat off you, but you have to find somebody else. There's only so much I can do. I shouldn't be talking to you this long. They'll trace the signal.
Don't worry. I'm sure I can come up with something.
I've got to go, Reese. You're gonna have to fix this one yourself.
How are we supposed to get an ID from another employee? We're not allowed to talk to other employees.
So, you've got nothing.
Out you go.
Hang on, hang on! Can't you, I don't know, install someone else's credentials? I think we're the only two Hyperion guys left on the planet. I still have Nakayama's ID drive. Creepy Black Ops projects like that have to be higher security clearance than us.
Look, just give up the act, Hyperion. You're just trying to stall us and we're not buying it.
What? No. With this, I'm gonna be able to take us straight to the money. You can keep wandering around the desert, or you can look at me and learn how it's done.
Okay, probieren wir's.
I'm very disappointed in you. Did you think you could follow in my footsteps? You are nothing more than another pitiful little code monkey. All swagger, no substance.
What the fuck heb ik gemacht?
I guess Vaughn got the tracker working. Vaughn? Where'd everybody go? Nice to meet you, Miss Moxie. Not too shabby, in that crazy Pandora kind of way.
Oh shit. Jeder liebt Moxie.
Who knows what kind of skeletons that old man's keeping in here? Oh, guess these three have been together for a long time.
Okay, look at my gliomen.
Cast iron steel. Impressive. For con artists.
Oké, het zit niet meer. Ik heb hem al loesen. Oh, ik gliomen. Ah, oké. Was ist da noch für eine Show?
What happened?
We got tired of looking and learning, so we decided to wander around the desert. And we looked and learned that you drool all over the floor while you're unconscious.
I tracked the money while you were out.
Quiet. This place is crawling with bandits.
Ik bin
You okay,
Siegergott.
Reese? You totally whacked your head right after you plugged in. It made this gross sound. Like a thud. But wet.
Yeah, I'm fine now.
What happened back there?
No idea, just blacked out.
All your cybernetics still seem to be working, as far as I can tell.
So, the case is in there.
Somewhere.
Wow, what is that place?
Looks like some kind of abandoned Atlas warehouse.
Doesn't look abandoned to me.
Looks more like every bandit on this side of the planet has shown up.
How about it, Mr. Roboto? Do you see any way to get inside?
Reese, if that's Atlas tech, you should be able to scan it.
Oh, kan ik scannen? Ja, is goed. Okay, bands. Was wollen sie genau haben? Hi world, I'm gonna kill you. Schönes Auto. Ah, da. Sniper.
It's that Vault Hunter.
Oh, perfect. As soon as a Vault Hunter finds a case with millions of dollars in it, it's as good as gone. You know how they are. Worse than bandits.
Can't we just go in the same way the Vault Hunter did?
We're not Vault Hunters, Sasha.
Settle down. I got this.
Okay, er geht rein. Und dann haben wir noch...
Okay.
Something wrong?
No, it's fine. Ooh, that hatch goes down underneath the building, but it's guarded.
Okay, so you found a way in. Now remember to get in and out of there quickly. We've already taken too many risks today.
You're not coming along?
Somebody needs to stay and protect the getaway car. I'll be waiting for your signal. And Fiona, Sasha, be prepared. Don't trust anyone.
Don't trust anyone.
We've got a way in, but how are we gonna get down there? Have you forgotten about the bandit parade going by?
That's the easy part.
First, we find a crappy hiding spot.
Okay, was wird
Then,
das?
we make ourselves a new friend. Fiona and Sasha find cover in order to sneak closer. While we casually take our new pal for a stroll. Then we borrow a gun from one of the guards, making sure that his buddy doesn't feel left out.
What the fuck? Also würde das
Then
funktionieren?
we take the secret entrance, which leads us to the briefcase, where we take a moment to celebrate our swift and easy victory. And we are good to go. Everyone got that?
Oh shit.
Guys?
Damn it.
We found another way down. After you.
Ich bin einfach so müde.
I'm gonna assume you just did everything I was saying, so, you know, good work.
Er ist so schlecht. So gut. sind jetzt alle
I got
abgegangen.
this. Okay, just give me a second.
Fiona! Fiona! Open up, please! It's pitch black in here. Fiona!
Would you chill out?
You were hoping this would happen. You wanted to separate us so you could pick us off. Hyperions!
Was hätte ich
I
alles
can't
geplant?
believe I trusted someone from Hyperion. We should never have let you come with us.
We gotta focus on getting the money back.
Of course. The money, that's all that matters to you suits.
It was money we brought to you. Remember? Fake vault key?
You just tried to steal our van.
See? You're just lashing out now. Nah.
Shut up. Walk in front of me.
Vaughn, do you copy? Come in, Vaughn. Damn it.
Okay, wir haben gar nicht.
Money's on the move, but it's close. We have to hurry.
Ist das gar gewesen?
They have the money.
Wait. Wait, no, stop.
I've got a shot.
No, it's too
It's
late.
not.
We have to get to that lift.
Yep, easy. I'll take the one on the left, you get the one on the right. Oh, do you think you can handle that? I know you Hyperion guys don't like getting your hands dirty. They probably didn't teach you this kind of stuff in finishing school.
Oh, I'm not worried about me. Because I took out a dozen bandits earlier today. Are you sure you can handle it?
Are you serious?
I don't know. You talk a big game, but I haven't seen you in action.
You just make sure you don't scuff your nice little shoes, okay, Hyperion boy?
They're skag skin.
They're atrocious. Come on.
Okay, go. Oh shit, er macht sicher schlechter. Oh, wir werden so ablosen mit dem. Oh shit!
Oh,
oh boy!
Is that you? Wait, what is this? Is this real or is this a joke? Oh, this is real. Wait, that's not Eric. No, it's not Eric, it's your doom. Stop squirming.
You need some help over there? It looks like you're struggling a bit. I already took out mine, so...
Hey! Relax! No, don't help him. Come on, let him do it himself. If he can. Shut up.
No, I think he's right. You should handle it yourself.
Oh shit.
No, I gotcha. Get back, man.
Wow, nicely done.
I don't need that right now.
How does this thing work? Do you,
Let me just get that for you.
Oh, come on! You cannot tell me that wasn't cool. Thank you.
We need to get the lift working.
Sie ist cool.
This is all old Atlas tech.
Ich kann es geil, wenn die zwei zusammen sind. Zusammen irgendetwas mitmachen.
Damn it! It's locked. It needs a password. Stupid
Hey,
piece of...
would you stop that? I can hack it.
Then do it.
Smacken. Okay, hack it.
Just a little end around here. Get this to line up with... Oh, come on, really? I thought we were past this?
Past this? Do you even know what Hyperion means to us on Pandora? The havoc they caused here? The pain? It doesn't matter what you do up there. You contributed.
It's crazy up there, too. Things actually aren't so great at Hyperion right now.
Yeah? Feeling the weight of your corporate overlords, Arya? Good. What the hell was that?
It's one of the power systems starting up.
How is it up there, anyway?
Where?
Up on that base you're all in. What's it called?
Helios.
Right, Helios. I mean, what's it like being an emotionless cog spinning away, day after day, for the most bloodthirsty, brutal, soul-crushing, love-defying corporation in the whole wide universe? Is it fun? Is it something you like? I'm just curious.
Look, it's not that easy, okay? Everyone's more than happy to climb the corporate ladder, even if it means using your face for a rung.
Ugh, sounds awful.
Yeah, it mostly is. I have to concentrate. Can I help you?
Your stun baton. It's the JR-4000. Can I see it? Hold it, I guess I should say. What if I say please? Would that make it easier for you? Because I'm not saying please.
No way.
Even though I've technically said it twice now.
No.
What?
I said no.
Who says I can't just take it from you?
Look, you asked, and I said no. Anything you're compelled to do after that is on you.
Get the lift working.
Ich glaube, sie weiß besser über das Teil Bescheid als mir. Einiges.
Password override. System online.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, I'm impressed. I suppose you're not completely useless after all.
I really appreciate that.
Yeah, get the lift moving.
I got in, but it didn't give me the right clearances, so I'm gonna need a second.
Well, hurry up.
What the hell? Not now.
Oh shit, das falsche gewählt. Oh no.
Reese!
You can't bring the buttons, they're all glitched out. Just, I don't know, stay out of their way.
Oh, great. I hate scabs. I'm starving. Oh, good. At least now when we die, it'll have a nice sound.
Hang on, almost got it.
Shit.
Yeah, I do.
Do what?
Nothing. Give me a sec.
Yes!
Oh shit, this shit.
Could you let me know if you see a Gortys core? I really need it.
You're really cool. I wanted you to know that.
Das ist so cool. So geil. Oh, ich liebe The Zero. So gut.
Hey, get away from that! An odd pair. We got Glasses Face and Hadley. You guys really know how to accessorize. What are you two doing here?
Oh, hey! It's a funny story, actually. So we're here for... What was the question?
What are you doing here is more like it.
Okay. You're not really supposed to answer a question with a question. I already know what I'm doing here.
Really? And what would that be?
Wow, okay. That's aggressive. Sort of caught me off guard.
Oh, don't be shy.
I prepped the cars for the drivers.
See, that wasn't so hard, was it?
Prepping cars, huh? Sounds pretty interesting.
So, you guys drivers or what? Sorry, I realize this is rude, but I really don't like your face.
You know, I get that a lot.
Not one bit. You just always look like you stepped in something.
That's just my resting face.
If you're supposed to be prepping the cars, why aren't you doing it?
I guess, because I'm talking to you. That's probably why, if you must know.
I think you're slacking.
Whoa, okay, what are you, a secret shopper? You see I'm armed, right? This is a gun. That's a weird way to talk to someone you don't know, not even factoring in firearms. Let's start over. If you're not official drivers, well, I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to shoot you in the face.
Whoa, hey! There's no need for that. It's just a misunderstanding. Just to be clear, this face that you so dislike, it's the face of one of the best drivers ever.
Really? That's very hard for me to believe.
Oh, yeah.
Well, more meat for the grinder. I guess I'll go get your ride. Oh, hey, I got something that might interest you. And if you're racing, you should look the part. I'm not gonna give them away for free, but you want to look like a team. Pick these up after the last race. Floor was littered with them.
Oh,
Clean most of the blood
125
off.
kost dit, weer geil gewesen.
I suppose there's a chance I'll be collecting these again later.
Neem maar de 65.
Ah,
Geil.
you've got good taste. Okay,
Weiß gar
if
nicht.
anyone asks,
wie
you
lange
didn't get
ich
these
später
from me.
fertig.
Now get going.
Danke, stimmt
Riders
schon.
waiting.
So geile Maske.
Could've been on a nice clean space station right now, tabulating columns of beautiful numbers.
My mask smells weird. Does your mask smell weird?
Yeah.
Look, the important thing is that we're inside and away from that bandit. At least they seem preoccupied.
This is bad. This is bad. What have we gotten ourselves into here? Psychos? Motor chariot thingies? Sponsors?
Some sort of race thing, obviously.
Yeah, death race.
Looks more like a MAME race to me.
Race will begin!
What an ass.
Race will begin in 30 minutes. 30 minutes until race time.
Oh man.
Are you kidding me with this?
Guns, more guns. Fiona, what do we do? I'm getting so sick of having guns pointed at me.
We need to find Sasha. And Reese.
I hope they're gonna be okay. But I hope that about us even more.
I'm sure they're fine, but we need to get to them. I just don't have a plan for how we do that yet.
Yeah, that's what's upsetting me.
And owing to today's earlier happenings, the grand prize for tonight's race is a one-of-a-kind Hyperion mystery box. No one's been able to open it.
Oh shit.
So I guess we win the race and they just give us the money.
Make it sound simple.
It is simple-ish.
Oké, kunnen we ook geld halen. Kunnen we ook winnen.
Calm down, it's in the bag. If we win this race, we get the case.
If? The deal of a lifetime is really only worth it if your remaining lifetime is more than 24 hours.
In my line of work, I have to be good at reading people, seeing their true character. And you, Vaughn, You can do this. I know you can.
You really think so?
Yeah. See? Now you're having a good time. You just gotta let loose. Rev the engines on your life, Ron.
Wait, what do you mean?
It doesn't matter. Just, you know, enjoy the moment.
I could get used to this.
Yep. Just don't hurt yourself.
Hello? Hello?
How does a jackass like this become a leader of anything?
Whoa, whoa!
I think this guy wants to eat my eyeballs.
You're just being...
Tasty eyeballs! Good for fricassees!
Okay then. Just don't lean in.
My doom buggy! Filthy death!
No, you've got this all wrong! We didn't do anything! If you let him kill me, you'll never get the money.
Oh, yeah, sure I will. Felix can bypass any lock. He'll have your case open faster than this guy can eat your lips.
But you can't defuse the bomb, sync to my biosignature.
Bomb? There's a bomb in the case?
Let me go! Stop it!
Meat Buddy's riding the death train!
What the hell is this?
Sounds like we're starting early.
Dying high on a psycho cycle!
You Pandorans are all crazy. You do know that, right?
Drivers drive! Drivers drive!
I guess.
Let's kick the tires and light some fires.
Let's try not to die.
Let's try not to die. Oh shit.
Okay, I'll admit, that looks pretty dangerous.
I've come. I've gone.
This is fine! We're okay!
And now, maniacs, degenerates, and scumdogs, it's time for what you've been waiting for. The motorized kill-tacular event of Murder Living 1000! Also known as that big chariot race thing where everyone dies.
Yeah, no, I really don't like this.
Whoever is the last mongrel still screaming at the end of the race will get to take
So dead.
the Hyperion Mystery Gates of Wonder!
I really, really, really don't like this.
Zero! Actually, the last freak standing still gets the mystery box, but whoever kills that guy gets 20 G's cold hard cash. I'm gonna throw you upside the head, shred you to bits, and erase your corpse, you plastic ninja freak!
Okay, let's go. Come on.
Oh man. Doch, sie hat. Ich dachte, sie hat keine mehr.
Okay, we have to get out of here.
I'm open to ideas. Oh, that's gotta be Yvette. Yes! She can send a loader bot.
Oh, Professor Nakayama, you sound different.
Vasquez.
Is that your boss?
You know what? I really don't have time.
Man, I'll make this fast. I know about the vault key, John. Okay? I know. So now we've got this problem. A lot of Hyperion cheddar's missing.
Get off the phone, Reese.
Look, no one else up here needs to know about this little faux pas, all right? So you bring back the money, and, I'll tell you what. I'll give you your old job back. Before the janitor thing. The respectable job. We'll just have to blame the whole thing on your buddy Mark. Okay? I mean, it is his ID associated with the account transfer. And he's young-ish.
Why on Pandora would I trust you, Vasquez?
Because that's a lot of money. Money I want. Money I don't have. Money you have. Money.
Yeah, okay, I get it.
Hey, look, I admit it, you screwed me. You really did. Cool moves, Reeves, cool moves. Hyperion will want my dick in a sling. So, you get your cybernetic rear up here with the money and I'll split it with you 50-50. You scratch my nuts, I scratch yours, that kind of. Levon takes the fall, and the two of us. We've got girls sniffing schnee out of our eyes. Or whatever.
I want more. 75%.
75 for what?
Oh, I don't know. How about putting my best friend on the chopping block?
How about no? It's half. This ain't a negotiation, Twinkle Toes.
Oh, okay, then how about a loader bot?
Yeah, I'll see what I can do. It's a deal then. I'll be in touch. You stay safe out there, old buddy.
No more phone calls, okay? We have to... Come on.
Oh shit. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oké, dat is nu geil. Zo. Oké, niet zo geil. Had er niet getsen.
Well, we'll get it out.
You get it out.
Dat is niet zo geil. Nee. Komt hier maar stoppen. Tjong. Tot het aufschlitzen. Ew.
Hey, did you get it? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Come on, we have to go.
Thanks.
Und es ist weg. Okay, ein ist weg. Der zweite haben wir noch weg.
I saw the case!
What?
The money! It's on that truck!
Can't see a damn thing in this. Kill them! What? What is it? Is it bad?
Das besteht so viel Schuppe. Hier, das ist mein Kopf.
Oh yeah, it's bad!
Ich muss konzentriert sein.
Oh,
getting closer! They never stop shooting on this planet, do they? Oh God!
Okay, deine Füße stoßen.
Get the case, hurry up! Get the little one! Holy crap! Get...
Kicken alle.
Ed! You get the case! Because without said case, it's so dead! So...
what about a thank you?
Yeah, thanks! Thanks. Sorry. Sorry, I almost died.
Maske! Illegale Maske!
Hand me that axe!
Do I look like the type of guy that uses an axe?
I'm using it!
Bam!
Nope. Kill a guy. Big deal. Catch Marie then!
Yes, go! Where are you going?
I'm getting the case!
Kill you till you die from it!
Ciao. Oh, was macht er da? Okay, ich habe ihn nicht bemerkt. Und der Kollege?
Fiona.
Thanks. My luck was about to run out back there.
Don't thank me just yet.
What the fuck? Er wird sie töten? Ist er nicht?
Ah, for the love of
I guess old con men are pretty rare. Looking at him right then, I thought I understood him. Maybe for the first time in my whole life. Didn't stop me from being pissed off.
I hope one day you'll understand. Perhaps you'll even find it in your heart to forgive me.
Felix? Felix!
Oh shit.
Go, damn it! Go!
Pizza, danke für den Host. Okay, wir nehmen noch das hoch. Ja, nein, er nimmt's.
I'm taking the money. All of it. I'm sorry, Fiona.
Was braucht das? Er
I
ist
really-
fast schon tot. Also nicht
I
dagegen,
told you
aber...
to never trust anyone. This is the only way to make you understand. One last thing for you to learn.
Felix, don't do this. We're like family.
We are family, Fiona. That will never change. Be sure to take care of your sister. Keep her out of trouble.
Awkward. Danke für den Follow. Okay. Er ist ein Assi und nicht tötet ihn irgendwann. Hoffentlich. Oh, ja, und wie
Goodbye.
Felix!
Tell Hyperion they can track their fancy case all they want, but I'm taking the money.
Shoko.
Leo, you always...
Oh no!
Okay.
Danke für den Follow. Sorry, ich bin voll
Officially
im
the
Game.
worst day ever.
That metal thing is inside your body.
Was hätte das nicht bemerkt?
Bossa Nova's dead. I don't think he was lying. Gortys is not here.
Don't sweat it, babe. That's one less bandit lord we have to worry about. There's plenty of time for sweating later, once you come back to me for your reward.
My quest is not done.
My reward for you is gonna be long, hard, and powerful.
Gortys remains out of reach.
It's a rocket launcher.
Yes. Innuendo.
Sasha, about what happened with Felix.
Stop, okay? I don't want to talk about it right now.
Their friend Felix tried to take the money for himself. He was killed in the explosion.
So we have no money, no vault key, nothing.
It's over. I mean, what do we even do now?
Check the bodies. Take anything valuable.
It's not like there's gonna be $10 million worth
You
of...
have any better ideas?
You came to Pandora, now you get to live like we do. Wait for more powerful people to kill each other and then take their stuff.
Easy, easy. Nehmen wir, was wir bekommen. Ein Schild. Bekommen wir jetzt selber ein Schild durch das?
This junk can't be worth that much.
That pistol over there is worth at least $100.
Oh, good. We just need 100,000 more of those and we're all set.
Try to roll with the fall.
Reese! Are you okay?
Der Bot hasst mich. Der Bot hasst mich so sehr. Ich habe nicht die Luft gesprengt.
Reese! Are you dead? If you're dead, say something!
I could use a little help down here.
It doesn't look like there's a safe way down.
What's down there?
Andi, gute Nacht. Schlaf gut. Okay.
There's a bunch of old Atlas prototype stuff, some tech. There's like a few weapons and...
Where?
Too dangerous, huh?
Oh, wirklich sie ist.
No way. The Atlas Silver! Ah, one of the rarest SMGs on Pandora. These models were never even released.
Neat.
Whoa, hey! A retro Atlasio! I thought these things were just a rumor! Look, 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 look! It tells time, and it's a calculator. Just give me a math problem. Just give me a math problem.
Is it worth a lot of money?
Sort of. I mean, yeah, you know, it's not $10 million worth, but, oh, man, to the right people. Atlas Tech in mint condition like this is worth a hell of a lot to collectors. Some Hyperion execs buy it just to put it on their trophy shelves and gloat. And unreleased prototypes at that. I mean, who knows what this is worth?
All right, Sasha. Let's grab what we can and get out of here. Quickly. No telling when those bandits will be back.
We better do the same, Reese.
Ich bekomme sicher crap.
Would you like to do the honors?
It's the last one. It's only right for us both to reveal it. I mean, that's the best part.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping you'd say that.
All right. Big money.
Oh, was ist das?
Reset. Identification required.
So, is it just me, or does that look...
Incredibly valuable? Yeah. And there's two of them, so I don't have to stab you.
that's a bonus. I call the bigger half.
Was är det nu? Okay, sie können es nicht.
What is it?
Let's tell her.
No idea.
Well, we got what we came for. Let's go, Sasha.
Hey, Vaughn, can you see if there's a crowbar lying around? We're gonna have to try to pry these apart before we...
Okay, es ist eine riesige Map.
Is that a map?
So she's the brains of the outfit. Is that a map? I don't know. It's so confusing.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is the Gortys Project. And it's gonna lead us to a vault. And then I'll probably kill you.
Oh shit. Okay.
So, you lost a vault key.
Which was never real.
Right. Then you lost the money.
Well, technically, we found it. But then it blew up.
Sure. But at the end of all that, you discover the Gortys Project, which is all about opening a vault.
Right.
That's very convenient.
Not really. I mean, one way or another, everything on Pandora is leading you to a vault.
I'd actually agree with her on that.
A rarity, I'm sure. So, what happened next?
Well...
Easy, Leute, da hören wir am besten auf. Also es war Episode 1, hä? Nice. Oh, nur 27% haben Felix sterben lassen. Oh. Und nur 26% haben den Bot sterben lassen. Okay. Hm. Okay, dann müssen wir überspringen. No, thank you. Okay.